Guys, it's Running Kimono. I hope you're all having a wonderful Sunday. It is Sunday, September the 25th. We have a new month over at Walgreens. I got my Olay body wash down to 45 cents for each one. I'm going to show you the magic and how I made that happen along with my basket. First thing I do want to talk about is that in this weekend's newspaper, the October P&G is there. So you can actually use Walgreens cash or register rewards to buy newspapers. So if it's an affordable price, that might be an alternative to get some cheap inserts. So the first thing that we're going to talk about are the Pringles Wavy in Chipotle Ranch. I believe it's a summer chip. Maybe the chip enthusiasts in the comments can let me know if it was a summer chip, but it says limited edition on the top of the can, so I'm thinking it's a summer chip. It's down to 30 cents. The original price was $2.99, so 90% off. I bought all of these for my father-in-law. He likes to take them as part of his lunch at work. He really likes chips, so these will totally be up his alley. It has a little bit of spice and a bit of ranch. So it is the 4.8 ounce. You might want to look for that. I'm going to also provide you the UPC if you wish to look for this in your store. Bring it to the front cash and ask a cashier to scan it for you and what's the price. Also, the Walgreens brand, I believe it's a 5-ounce beef jerky, also 90% off at selected stores. Good luck with this one, guys. Cheap food, it's what we love, so what a great deal that is. The next deal I want to talk about the Arm & Hammer for $1.99. Well, the original price for this is $7.49. Unfortunately, at my store, nothing was tagged, but that's okay. But I do want to throw something to you guys. Look at the shrinkflation between 27 loads to 21 loads. Pick very carefully what you're getting at the store. I utilized 2 of these. They're register rewards from last week's deal. What were you getting this on? Oh, the Tide. See how quick that was to already forget what the deal was. So what I did, guys, was I grabbed 3 of the sensitive skin ones for this little scenario. Everybody's having babies right now, so I just want to get some of this in my stockpile. So 27 loads, how nice is that? So for 3 of them, guys, that's a total of $5.97. Get the cashier to scan at least 2 of the bottles so both register rewards will attach, and you're paying 97 cents plus tax for 3 detergents. I believe the pods and the scent beads are also part of this dealio. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Now, if you are in need of these Lysol wipes, they are $6.49. They are on a buy one, get one free promotion. So basically each of them, which hold 80, that's quite a few, it would be $3.24. Now, I didn't get them. I was really thinking about it, but I just said, no, I have enough in my stockpile. But if you need these for your kids' school or if you just need them in your car, I love having these Lysol wipes. This is a very fantastic deal at $3.24. These are always like $5.99 plus at like Walmart or Meijer. And even to get this at Walgreens, it's a really good deal. Now, last week we had the opportunity to load this digital coupon, which is $1 off the Fabuloso Suavitel and also the Palmolive. The Palmolive is on sale for $2.49. So utilizing this coupon, you're paying $1.49. If you're doing this deal on its own, like without booster deal, yes, you can use $1 of Walgreens cash and pay 49 cents for this massive thing of Palmolive. How lovely is that? This is the toilet paper deal I did today. It's $9 for 2 for these Angel Soft, and the toilet paper math is this is 24 rolls and this 6 megas. So $9 for 2. We have this $1 off 2 digital coupon, so it makes it $8 for the 2 or $4 per 6 mega rolls. I'm just trying to build a little stockpile of toilet paper because I've gone through quite a bit of it recently. So yeah, that's a stock up price in my book this week. With the new month, we no longer have the printed big book of savings. Please pay attention to that. All we have now is digital IVC coupons, and this is the one for the Scott deal this month. This is of a one-time use, so after you use it, it's out of your account. You're going to need another account to do a paper deal. So use it very wisely. Now, what you can get with it is the $5 toilet paper or the $5 paper towel. If you have as many pets as you probably go through a good amount of the paper towel. So really, you're going to have to know when to hold them, know when to fold them when you want to use that one IVC coupon, which it's just the new rules over there. You know what I would do if you really want to stock up on paper? Grab 6 of them for $30. Make sure you have that IVC loaded. $7.50 will come off for you automatically. If you have a $2 register reward that we were getting last week from the Tide deal, throw one of those in. Also throw in $20 in Walgreens cash and pay 50 cents plus tax. And you're doing this without a booster, of course, but it's just a way to get like 6 paper products on the cheap. Yes, you're losing $20 in Walgreens cash, but then you're getting all this paper. So I don't think it's the worst deal. And just because of this new rule of no more printed IVC book, it's really, if you go in there like once a week to get paper, it's going to change things. So you might have to plan accordingly. And I would buy more than just one of each. Hey friends, now we're going to talk about this. I actually got a $50 basket today, and this was the booster that I had, and I paired it with a paper booster as well, and I had a 9-back when you spend $40. So I bought $50, and both of them worked perfectly. So let's look at the basket. We have $9 for the 2 Angel Soft products. We have the $2.49 Palmolive, 4 of the Sensitive Skin Arm & Hammer at $1.99 a pop. Now this is what's new, and I'll show you the displays in the store and so on and so forth, but nothing was tagged, so I don't know how great of a that's going to offer to you guys because I can't show you the tags. But the Olay is buy 3, get back a $5 register reward. They're 7 each, and plus we have a 5 off 3 coupon. And then the Venus razor, I believe, is $11, and we have a $4 digital. Now this Venus is part of a different deal of spend 30, get back a $6 reward. I'll show you that. And then plus the Olay is to buy 3 and then get back a $5. So the 2 stacked. So here is the $4 digital that you'll have to load for the Venus razor. And then for the Olay body wash, please make sure you're grabbing 3 identical body washes so that 5 off 3 will attach. For whatever reason, if you do the mixy match, the coupon will not come off. It's how things are right now. And then, as I suspected in my Friday video, this is the digital coupon that's coming off, which is a 5 off of 3. Now, because this is a larger basket and I didn't want to pay so much out of pocket, I had 2 register rewards from last week. As the cashier scanned every single Arm & Hammer, these attached to the Arm & Hammer in the line limit. Looking at the math for this one, guys, 4 of the Arm & Hammers for $7.96, 2 of the Angel Soft toilet papers for $9, 1 Venus razor for $11, 3 Olays for $21, and then 1 Palmolive for $2.49. For a total of $51.45. I had my booster loaded, and then I got the cashier to scan the 9-back when you spend $40. And then I had $11 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous, plus a $2 and a $3 register reward. That's 5 off right there. So my new balance is $35.45, which I paid with my debit card as I'm using 2 different spend boosters. I did get back $19 in Walgreens cash, 10 for the digital, and then 9 for the paper booster, and then $11 in register rewards. It is $5.45 for the 11 products, or 49 cents per. What a great price for Olay. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. Now, just to show you guys, the 5 back when you spend 20 is a store coupon. So it's off the next personal care item I'm going to buy. There it is. And then the bottom one is a manufacturer, which is a 6 back when you spend 30 on Olay. So as I bought the $21 of body wash by Olay, and then plus the $11 Gillette, that's how I got to the $30 to get the bottom one. So not the worst little dealio. We're definitely going to have to figure something out to spend these 2. But just to give you a visual, this is what the 2 looks like. Okay, friends, the last thing I want to talk about is Ibotta. I did a couple deals on Saturday over at Rite Aid, including buying some Arm & Hammer toothpaste. I bought 5 tubes or 6 tubes, and I got $10 back, which is super uber generous. Just to let you guys know, no issues, no coupons used, and it worked for me. So I know that a lot of people have had issues, but I just wanted to share that it seems to be working well for me. The Ibotta rebate app, I didn't use any today over at Walgreens, but it did work yesterday, which was Saturday the 24th, over at Rite Aid. And before I take off, let's have a little giveaway, as you guys really love these. To participate, you must be a subscriber to my channel. 1 entry per shopper. In the comments, tell me where you're from. For example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio shopper, and that is your entry. This is completely free to enter. It's for a $10 Walgreens gift card. And the winner who I pick will be pinned at the top of this video on Friday, September the 30th. So good luck, everybody. And yeah, that's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.